Mastermind Level 2, Unit 9 test. Listen to this excerpt from a radio program. Choose true or false.
Recent research seems to suggest that the kind of play that parents and caregivers instinctively engage in with babies and young children benefits their emotional and intellectual development in ways that we could never have guessed. It has long been established that babies, even very young ones, imitate their parents. But watch any adult interacting with a baby and you will observe that this is a two-way process. The adult also mimics the baby, clapping, for example, when the baby claps. In experiments where one group of parents copies the actions of their babies and one group deliberately does not, it is found that the electrical activity in the brains of the infants in the former group is more intense. Quite why the baby is so stimulated to see someone copying them, no one knows for sure. But it would seem to indicate that babies from a very young age start learning something about their relationship with other people, absorbing the fact that they have an impact on others, and perhaps even learning something about the joy of this connection. What all this electrical activity definitely shows is that we should carry on mimicking our babies. When we sit down with a young child and play with a toy, we know that we are doing a good thing, affording the baby interest and pleasure. And sure enough, research confirms that this is indeed a good thing. Experiments have been conducted involving toys in which there is an element of cause and effect, the bashing of a particular button causing a light to go on, for example. What emerges from these experiments is that the infant with a companion who demonstrates the toy first will grasp the connection between the action and the result more readily than the infant who experiments with the toy on their own. Again, the research would seem to say, keep on playing with your baby. Most of a baby's cognitive development will happen naturally, but it is increasingly clear that the baby's parents or primary caregivers play a key role in encouraging it. Play, as they say, is the work of childhood.